Decommissioning is the process of retiring equipment that is no longer in use, ensuring that it does not pose a risk to product quality, safety, or regulatory compliance. This critical phase in the equipment lifecycle ensures that obsolete or non-functional equipment is managed properly, preventing contamination and maintaining GMP standards. When is decommissioning needed? The end of the equipment lifecycle. When the equipment has reached the end of its operational life due to wear or becoming obsolete, decommissioning is required. Regulatory non-compliance. If the equipment no longer meets updated GMP or regulatory standards, you must decommission the equipment. Process changes. Changes in production processes that render the equipment unsuitable for its intended use will require the equipment to be decommissioned. Facility closure or selective relocation. In the case of facility closure, equipment may be decommissioned if it is no longer needed, outdated, or not suitable for transfer. However, if a facility is relocated, equipment is typically moved and requalified at the new site. Proper planning for decommissioning is essential to avoid risks associated with improper handling, such as contamination, data breaches, or regulatory non-compliance.